Go. Now pull hard back this way. There you go.
Right again.
Go ahead.
She forgets to come to the end.
Well, teach him
Oh,
to
she's
turn.
Don't. She's checking. She does a lot.
All right, come straight back. Get her to trot. Get her to trot all the way down.
All the way down. He wants you to picture trotting, Daddy. All right, go. Go. Go some more. It's gonna take plenty of practice with that, Bubba. It's gonna take plenty of practice. There you go.
All right, make her trot fast.
Go all the way to the end.
There you go. All right, go around.